We understand that driving and traveling can cause stress and worry. There is always the possibility of a car accident, even for the safest of drivers. We've developed the UltraDash C1 to help you drive with peace of mind and protection for you and your car 24/7. Our mount allows you to remove and place the device quickly and easily. C1 begins recording when the ignition starts and shuts off without the touch of a button. Set C1 to the right time zone. It will then update the time and date automatically for daylight saving. C1 captures crystal clear 1080p footage and will automatically overwrite the oldest files with the newest videos. Easily see your location at any given time, keep track of speed and exactly where your vehicles have been. Log footage at crucial moments to protect it from being overwritten. Enable parking mode, and C1 will turn on and record automatically if it detects any external force on the car. Sony Exmor sensors offer high dynamic range function automatically and adjust the sensitivity in low light environments to provide clear, high-quality videos regardless of the time of day. With our unique take on the simple idea of a dashcam, it is designed for general users in mind and works great for daily commute. The more people that take driving safely seriously, the safer our roads will be. We want to provide the solution for driving accountability, one car at a time.